and welcome back to my channel. You guys are going to hear craziness in the background because my family likes to be with me 24/7. Yes, I got both boys right next to me. Here you go, Benjamin. So, yeah, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, this is probably one of the worst weeks I have ever seen at Walgreens. I had multiple problems. I had a 10 off of 2 digital Gillette coupon that was expiring today. It did not come off at the register, so I ended up returning it. I also had the 4 off of 2 Scope and the 4 off of 2 Crest. Benjamin, look at Dad's got. So those also did not work. Like, I kept clipping and clipping and clipping and clipping to my card. So I'm like, you know what, I'm not wasting my time. So I may or may not do a second Walgreens haul, but I am going to complain to the Walgreens corporate or whatever. I just Facebook messaged them because I used one coupon, or I used one digital coupon and did not come off, and those one coupons would not stick. If you guys ever have problems, just contact them. They can always just give you guys points for your inconvenience. So wanted to give you guys a heads up, but the main deal that you guys need to do this week is the Colgate toothpaste deal. Now, these were $2.99 a piece. You guys want to use those $2 off coupons that we got in today's Smart Source. You guys would just pay $1.98 for the both of these, but then you guys can you guys will end up getting 2,000 points for when you guys buy 2 of them, making them free. Now, this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So, just giving you guys a heads up on that, on some easy freebies if you guys want that. I had some register rewards that I wanted to use, so I ended up doing that. I got something else for my husband, but I'm not including that in my haul because that stuff doesn't really matter. But they had Butterfingers. These are on sale for just 39 cents a week, so 39 cents this week. So if you guys have register rewards that you need to use up, just get these. You guys can use them towards anything else, but definitely wanted to do that. I wanted to do a couple other deals, but I didn't have the correct coupons for it, so I will definitely be doing that. I ended up getting the all laundry detergent. Now, I love getting the pods over the liquid because when I give stuff to people, a lot of people enjoy the pods over the liquid, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. So these were $2.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got in today's paper. I also got those coupons on coupons.com. You guys would just get this for $1.99. You'd pay for it, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Saving Star, making it just 99 cents. And there is 18 packs in here for 99 cents. It's pretty good. Now, I have used this laundry detergent before. What are you saying? Oh, you want to sit on my lap? I have used this laundry detergent before. I like the feel of it, but I like it. So we got that going on. So, definitely wanted to share with you guys with that. And then the last and final deal that I got is the OxyClean. Now, these are $3.99 this week. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. There's also a coupons.com coupon, or there's a digital. You guys can add it to your account. But you guys would end up paying just $1.99 for that. So I just wanted to share it with you guys on that deal in case you wanted to get those. But yeah, that was my haul. That's how lame Walgreens was today. I got the Gillette razors, but they did not come off at the registers. So I decided just to return them. So I got those. I just returned them. I'm like, whatever, I'm not going to. Benjamin wants to wear my headband that I got from the Dollar Tree. Look at you.
I'm a cute boy. I'm Benjamin.
He's cute boy. He's Benjamin. So that was my haul. Okay, so my total came to $4.64 for everything. I ended up getting 2,000 points for the Colgate. Now again, you guys can pay with points and get points for that deal. I ended up getting $1 back from Savings Star when I submit my receipt for the all laundry. So I got everything for $1.67, just 6 items. That comes out to be just 27 cents a piece. Otherwise, yeah, it's not the greatest haul. I'm going to try to do a second haul because I have some of those $2 off coupons that I ordered, and I kind of wanted to do some of those digital stuff, so I'm hoping those things come off. So if you guys enjoyed this quick Walgreens easy haul, please give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys all later. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.